The studio we use for shooting is pretty messy. You know, tripods everywhere, shows lying around, and especially cables all over the floor. So we seldom use the vacuum cleaner to help with cleaning, as it could pose a serious tangle risk for most vacuum cleaners. Until recently, the product I'm introducing, the Freo Z10 Ultra from Narwal, is something I can finally let roam freely around my entire studio without worrying about anything. In this video, I'll walk you through some of its highlights and might just be your ultimate robot vacuum cleaner. The first highlight, of course, is the dual 136-degree wide-angle cameras. Paired with the dual AI chips, it can recognize over 200 types of objects and make real-time cleaning decisions. So during mapping, it easily identifies common things like shows and cables, no problem at all. Watch how it handles cables. Instead of charging straight through like other machines, it carefully goes around them, effectively avoiding the risk of getting tangled. According to the official specs, it can detect objects as thin as 0.19 inches, which is super pet-friendly. Imagine how well they avoid stuff like dog poop. Speaking of pets, there's another feature you'll love. The fully tangle-free system. Check this out. I collected some fresh cat hair from my colleagues, tossed it on the floor, and vacuum sucked it all up without leaving a single strand on the brush. That's thanks to the innovative second tangle-free roller brush and detangling side brushes, combined with powerful suction. Honestly, this is the best anti-tangle system I've ever seen. As you've probably noticed, the mop design on the Freo Z10 Ultra is a bit different. It uses a ruler triangle mop head, which creates a 10mm overlapping area during rotation, ensuring no spots are missed while cleaning. Paired with its dynamic mop extension feature, it delivers exceptional edge and corner cleaning. Watch closely. See how the mop extends from time to time? It's kind of amusing, but it's also super effective. When it comes to those hard-to-reach corners, this thing handles them effortlessly. When the machine detects carpet, it retracts mops and boosts suction, giving you the best experience on both hard floors and rugs. Speaking of suction, this beast delivers a whopping 18,000 pounds of suction. Yes, 18,000 pounds. That means everyday debris like cookie crumbs, peas, paper scraps, orange peels, you name it. It's no problem at all. So to sum it up, it has excellent cleaning performance across all kinds of flooring, handles all types of messes, and features outstanding anti-tangle tech that's perfect for pet owners. And I haven't even mentioned app yet. Honestly, it's probably the best robot vacuum app I've ever used. It's loaded with features. You can schedule cleanings, choose from different cleaning modes, manage maps, and even activate the camera on the Freo Z10 Ultra to use it as a mobile monitor for your home. You can take pictures or videos and drop it anywhere in your house. This thing can be your perfect pet cam. It also gives you detailed info about the base station and accessories, like when you need to replace different parts. It's perfect. Since time is limited, I want to go through every single setting, or would be here all day. Not about the base station, it's an 8-in-1 arming station. It washes the mop, dispenses detergent, empties the dustbin automatically, and provides up to 120 days of hands-free operation. There are even more auto features listed on the screen. Be sure to check them out. Basically, you don't need to do anything. I mean, what more could we ask for? Right now, it's available for just 1,000 euros on Keybuying, so definitely check it out. If you think the Ultra version is a bit overkill, the standard Z10 is also a powerful cleaning beast with a slightly watered down specs, and is currently on promotion, so be sure to check them out too. This is hands down the most complete all-in-one cleaning robot I've ever reviewed. Just get this and you're all set. Thanks for watching, and I'm going to see you in the next one.